Customer states, low hours on engine that had issues from factory, clean and check head, but it shouldn't need much. This 9-liter John Deere is a perfect example of why the phrase, it shouldn't need much, can make a machinist nervous. The teardown and initial inspection didn't reveal anything too concerning, so we went forward with resurfacing the head gasket and exhaust manifold surfaces of the head. When we went to touch up the valve seats, we discovered a major issue. It turns out that several of the valve seats had cracks forming, which could have led to a catastrophic engine failure shortly after being put back into service. Luckily, we caught it now, so rather than simply touching up the valve seats, we're going to use our valve seat machine to cut each valve seat paper thin to remove them from the head. We'll go ahead and install all new valve seat inserts from our friends at SBI, who we've trusted with our valve seat needs for over 4 decades here in the shop. At that point, the head goes back onto our Surdy valve seat machine, and a cutter is set up to cut the seats for the proper valve recession for our new SBI intake and exhaust valves. John Deere made it easy for us here since we only need to set up one cutter since the intake and exhaust valves are the same diameter and the valve recession spec is the same for both. After we've cut the first one to the correct depth, we can set the DRO on the machine and cut every seat to the same value. After a final wash, the head can be assembled and quality checked for the customer. It's a great reminder to always double and triple check every component during an expensive overhaul, and just because it doesn't have a lot of hours on it, doesn't mean it can't be on the edge of a catastrophic failure. Be sure to like and follow Jamsey online for more.